The Nightingale Declaration for a Healthy World, now available in many language versions, advances our individual and collective commitment to make a difference in our time, beginning with we, the nurses and concerned citizens of the global community. Our declaration was first inspired during the global SARS epidemic in 2003, and thus proposed with deep concern for the health and well-being of all humanity, becoming a shared credo to address today's most challenging times: natural disasters, extreme climate events, mass migration, health inequities, internal conflicts, external conflicts, war, global stress at every level. It deepens our understanding and strengthens our own personal commitment to solidarity and advocacy in many forms for what it will take to achieve a healthy world. Thus, we bring our commitments to the Nightingale Declaration for a Healthy World. We, the nurses and concerned citizens of the global community, hereby dedicate ourselves to achieve a healthy world. We declare our willingness to unite in programs of action, to share information and solutions, and to improve health conditions for all humanity, locally, nationally, and globally. We further resolve to adopt personal practices and implement public policies in our communities and nations, making this goal achievable and inevitable, beginning today in our own lives, in the life of our nations, and in the world at large. Thank you for joining us.